How to download your Facebook photos all at once. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download all your Facebook photos at once using the update. So let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app or go to facebook.com and make sure you're logged in. Now tap the three lines icon at the top right corner and simply scroll down and go to settings and privacy and then tap on settings. Now scroll down to the section where you can find your Facebook information. Here, scroll down and find your information and permissions. And all you need to do is simply tap on download your information. Simply tap on download or transfer information. Simply tap on specific type of information and simply choose. You can choose pictures or photo post, feeds, and memories like this and choose whichever you want. You can also download messages as well. Once you've done that, simply tap on next, choose your preferred format to, and also the where do you want to transfer or download to. And once you've done that, simply choose, let's say, Google Drive, tap on save, click on next and tap on connect. And once you've done that, it will ask you to request the download. Simply tap on request download and simply create file, and Facebook will start preparing a download. It may take a few minutes or hours depending on how many photos, videos you have. Once it's ready, simply tap download and you'll need to enter your Facebook password for security. And that's it. Now you have all your Facebook photos saved in one place.